Welcome to Code Tech Lab, the place where we slow down just enough to actually understand coding. Most tutorials rush and leave beginners confused, so I explain every step clearly, line by line. Alright, let's start where every real website begins, the header and the hero. The front door of your site and the first thing visitors see. By the end of this short video, you'll have a clean professional header with a title and a navigation menu. So everything you see on the web page is placed inside the body tag. That's the main container of the page. Now I'll add the header inside the body. Header. This line starts the header section. The header tag holds the website name and the navigation menu at the top of the page. Inside it, I'll add the main title. Our main title is our business name, Green Leaf Landscaping. So this is the most important heading on the page. Here we put the business name or the site name. Search engines treat the H1 as the main title, so it matters. Next, I'll add navigation navigation tag. Navigation tag has unordered list. Our list items are services section, about section, and contact us section. So we start with an anchor tag and we create a hyperlink for our services section. Services, and this closes our anchor tag for the services section. So let's copy it and paste another section, paste this code to create another section about and paste again to create our contact us section. So here, as you must have understood, that nav means navigation. It groups the menu. We use an unordered list UL to structure the menu items. Each item is a LI with an anchored link. When a link uses hyperlink reference, this one or this one, the hash sign tells the browser to jump to the section on the same page that has the ID services. That's how single page navigation works. Simple and reliable. So let's see, after writing this small code within the body tag, what shows up on our website. Save the code and then save the code and refresh the browser. So here it looks like now. As you can see right now, everything looks stacked and plain. That is expected. Next, we'll add CSS to make it look professional. I'll explain each line as a type, so you'll know why every rule exists. So first of all, let's reset the reset the default settings of the browser. Margin is 0. Padding is also 0. And box sizing, border box. This reset makes every element start from the same baseline across browsers. Box sizing, border box keeps widths predictable when we add padding. So the purpose of this reset is that our website or our elements within the body tag appear uniformly on every browser, like Google, Chrome, Firefox, whatever. And by resetting this default settings, the browser only follow the CSS rules that we are creating here. If we do not create any, if we do not change any default setting, your website will look differently in different browsers. So after resetting the default browser setting, let's make a rule for our body section. Simply write here font family Arial or sans serif. Yes, the semicolon is a must thing. Font family. It's highlighting it, I don't know why. Now it looks good. So this line that we have written here sets a clean, readable font as the default. Arial with a sans serif fallback, so text look consistent everywhere. Now we'll style the header so the title sits on the left. Title sits on the left and the menu on the right. I'll use Flexbox for that. Header. Display of the header should be flex. Justify content. Space between. Align items of the header. Centered. Padding around the header should be 20 pixels top bottom and 40 pixels right and left. Background color. Hash 2E8B57. This is hex color code, and the color of the text on the header should be right. So here display flex makes the header horizontal row. Justify content space between pushes the title left and the menu to the right. Next one is align items. Align items center, vertically centers both. Padding gives breathing room. The hex color code is our brand green color, and color white keeps the text readable. So let's save this part of the code and refresh our browser, and here you see everything is looking great. If I max the size, as you can see, here it is how it looks like now after defining the CSS rules. So the next thing we are going to work on is unordered list, navigation, UL. Let's get rid of this square bracket. So we style the list style none. Also display it horizontally to make an item look horizontally. We use the flex settings, and gap between each list item should be 30 pixels. Let's save it. Refresh our browser. As you can see now, by defining the CSS rules, our main heading has moved to left and the menu items have moved to right. So let's go back to the color, go back to this VS Code and start writing rules for anchored items. Text decoration none. It is going to remove the underline, this underline under every menu item. This color is appearing blue. This is the default setting. We are going to change it white, and we make the font appear bold. Save the code, refresh the browser, and here you go. So as you can see, now the list items also appear in white color and without the underline. So we can reduce the size, the gap between each items by writing 20px, so they will come more close. As you can see, these are not the hard and fast settings. You can change them according to the requirement of the website or according to the format of the website. So what we have done here, we let me recap it. List style none removes bullets, display effects lines menu items up or horizontally, and gap 20x spaces them evenly. For links, we remove underline, keep them white to contrast with the green background, and make them bold so they stand out. Now look, the plain HTML turned into a professional header, the site name on the left, the menu on the right, everything vertically centered and spaced. Small CSS, but big difference. So far we have written semantic HTML. Here is the semantic HTML. The header, heading, navigation, unordered list, listed order, list items, and anchor, and use the 3 key CSS ideas here. We have used 3 key CSS ideas: layout with Flexbox, spacing with padding in gap, and colors for branding. That's the core pattern you will reuse for every header you build. Practice this yourself now. Type the same code in a new file. The more you type, the more it becomes second nature. In the next video, we'll build the hero section, headline, CTA button, and a hero image. And we'll style it step by step, just like this. If this lesson helped, please like and subscribe. It tells me to keep making clear step by step tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.